Okay, so let's see what we have today. So, let's see. 1 hour. Okay, let me switch to one with one. We don't have all those arrows. Yes, there we go. So we took out this 4-hour high on NQ, but on ES we are still under these highs. So we have a sweep of liquidity pre-market. So I would like to go short or bearish for today, but I don't know yet because I think we will push higher because we had bullish news also. If you see, we had unemployment claim were bullish, 191k, and the forecast was 219. So that is positive, but also, let's see. Yeah, I need to check what news came out here because let's just see what the market gives us. 10-minute market open, and I would like to go short, but at the same time, I need to delete some of these. So yesterday it ended up 6% up. And Boeing also had a nice day 2 days ago. Tesla also. EBN also had a nice day. I want it down here. I'll just take some notes and then I will start to look what the market gives us. Also, I can show you guys what happened yesterday. After this sell-off, I wanted to be bearish down to these low and these lows, but we did up ending up taking London highs. So yesterday I should not have married my own bias because here we had a clear bullish or long. But as you see, it's very choppy up. But I saw it yesterday. Let us see. Let's see, 5 minute. Was it on? Yes. Here we had the 5 minute retrace into the fair value gap, and we could have longed from this and set the stop loss under there and TP there. That would be a nice trade. But yes, no trades yesterday. Let's see what we can make of today. Also made an SMT on these 5-minute lows. Yes, it's the lagging index, and it's also the best growth on liquidity, so it would be the preferred index to take trades on today. Five-minute market open, we are turning around, but I would like to make an SMT on this 5-minute highs also. Let's see, make an SMT. So if NQ went up, took out these highs one more time, and then I could short the ES down to these lows. But also, if we see there, so let's see how. Wait a minute. I had to sneeze. Let's see. Yeah, it's 400, 500 points up also. Or so downwards there are, yeah, closer down. But we could just rally up here, but then I would not have a trade for today. But if we don't rally, I would love to take a short today. Let's remove the lines and highs that already has been taken out. Let's see. Yeah, so we are just going downwards now. As expected, we took out a lot of liquidity here, but I think when the market opens in 4 minutes, we will have a push up. Almost certainly. Either we push up and we take out this, or we just flood the face downwards. But yeah. So today we're just going to be patient this December also. The price action is often very slow, but so far into December we had at the pretty, we are staying still. If you see in the 4-hour, you see, let's just show you guys. On ENQ we are like making some movement, but on, as you see, we've been in this range for since 26th of November. We have this box, and now we broke out of the box, so now we could get a nice push up to these highs, and this is all-time highs. Yeah, we had this huge sell-off, down 6%. Now we are up. Let's see. 5.4%. Oh yeah. Let's remove this green box. Oh, why can't I? There we go. What? What did I do? How did I just do that? Okay, never mind. Okay, 1 minute to market open. Just watch some TikTok. Get locked in, you know? Alright, market open. Let's see. So yeah, we have... Yeah. I would just love to just fucking short this shit. Yeah, as you see. No good plan. I believe... Don't do that. Let's wait for some confluence. Oh, okay. Let's see where the stocks open. Okay. 4% on Meta. Damn. Almost 1% on Nvidia. Okay, so NQ is just pushing down as expected because we got this huge liquidity sweep, but oh yeah, we just hope we could get an entry before we just took out all these lows, but still opportunity to do that. It's a lot of waiting when you're trading. Because you have to wait for the perfect trade. We don't just take the trade to take it, you know. Okay, let's see here, 30. I can mark out market open and 5th. There we go. And I'll do that on ES also. There we go. Those lines are not very visible. Let's see. Okay, that was a little bit too much also. Lime green, maybe that will work. Let's I changed some color settings on my PC yesterday, so maybe that's the problem. But yeah, you see, you can see what that is. Damn! Look at NQ flushing downwards after that sweep. Now we get almost certainly a break of structure 7:12 here. When we get that, we are at least in 5 minutes. But maybe we could get that SMT now if we just close under something like this, and then and ES go up here. But at the same time, we're close to these lows now. This is London lows. All this is London lows. Do we have any hourly lows? Hourly low all the way down here. We won't take out these today. For sure, we won't do that. My plan, or what I think will happen, is either we go down, take out this liquidity and go up for today, or we chop around, make some conferences, and then we go down, and then we're done for the day. But as you see, yeah. Now what do I do? Now these are also realistically, because we're not even 5 minutes into market open, and we are already taking out all this low. Yeah. This is the sad part about trading. You know what you want, but can't find an entry. I might just start shorting or longing my bias for the day. Okay, we took out these, and oh, fucking hell. Okay, we reacted off these lows. No, these lows. Let's just see what. Yeah, it ain't that much we can do about this. Okay. So now we got the sweep of these lows. I expected that to happen. Let's see what we do now, because now we're just boom, boom. But we left these two lows up for grabs on ES if we want, but now we're making a 5-minute SMT, so now I would like to see some other confluences. We could, if we close here, we could short something like this, yes, and down to these lows, but it's very risky. We are just 7 minutes into market open. Yeah, I believe this would work, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Mm. trade would. Oh fuck. Yeah, look at this. We would probably. Okay, let's say we enter the trade where the candle closed, and stop loss would be at these 1 to 58 risk to reward. We are already at an half risk reward. That's not great, but we are only 1 minute into the trade. Also, if I would have taken it, I did not take it. But yeah, we also are making a high time frame SMT, if you see, from these highs to down to these highs. Look at this wick. That's crazy. Let's see if we have any. You see, there's not. Oh, this wick is also very big. Yeah, there's not many of these wicks. It's a 4 hour, so yeah, probably is, but let's see what the market gives us. Let me just take some water. Hmm. Let's see, if we break the volume structure, I might go for a long. Yes, it would be, but yeah, we will break structure now. Okay, I will be patient today just because we have so much volatility, so I will wait for break of structure and a 1 minute visit again. Yeah, okay. Let's just keep our eyes open, but also we are in this 5 minute fair value gap, and I have burnt myself a lot of time not waiting for a 5 minute break of structure. But at the same time, we had this liquidity sweep. We have a 5 minute SMT, so we might just go for it also. If I were to take this trade. Okay, now we're pushing into the 50%. Also 79. Let's see where we close. Okay, we will probably just clear. Okay, nice. That's why we will wait. Because now we are into this, and now we can short. If we close under here, I will short this. Because we got a liquidity sweep. This, and we got a visit into the 5 minute fair value gap. Oh, what the fuck was that candle? Damn! Now I didn't get my entry either, because we wanted to push so deep. I might just wait for. Okay, let's say let me make this one over here, and we will have this open here. We are ES, right? Yeah. yeah, damn. Now this is like we get a risk reward of under 1, and that's just not ideal. So now we wait for a 1 minute fair value gap or equilibrium. See there. Or something like that to just confirm so we get a better entry, because this entry is not. I won't take this entry. And on NQ you see we have taken out all the lows I wanted, so there's just one index with the lows I want, and this is the ES. And I want these lows because they're, I just believe they will get taken out, and they're nice liquidity. Yeah, so we got this fair value gap. Let's see. Pushes into it and turns around. If we take this trade, I would need to turn the stop loss down to here, and that we might just get tapped out of that. Let's see. We can, yeah, let's try it on paper trading right now, and we can see how it would have turned out. Let's just wait and see for the candle close before we do anything. Oh, yeah. Yeah, now we have a 1-to-1 risk reward here also. Let's just refire this for fun. If we will get tapped in. Okay, let's see. This is like if we would have gotten tapped in, we had 2.6 risk reward. Okay, we have 5 minutes till macro opens. Let's see if we get tapped in just for fun. We will get tapped in, I'm pretty sure. Or not. Hmm. Yeah. I'll need to get some balls and do some fucking trading. What am I doing? Look at it. We would have like one risk reward, not even one risk reward, because we would need to take the stop loss up here. Oh yeah. The trade would have been like this one. This would have been the trade to take. It would have been nice as well. Yeah. It's unfortunate. Because when these lows get taken out, my draw of liquidity for the day is taken out, so it's like I won't just sit here and try to take another trade. I will go off, but it's so nice setup also. Let's see. we're making a 5-minute bullish SMT as well now. Let's see what is going on. Now we have this, and we got this. And now we're making a 5-minute SMT as well. Let's see on the 5-minute what it's saying. Okay, we're still bear or down candle on the 5-minute. I still believe we will go take out this lows. NQ might. I won't say it will go down and take out this hourly low, but yeah, I don't think the NQ will do that. This, on the other hand, I want it to do, just because then I can at one say I was right, and two, don't be like a fool of myself. Just because I would have taken this trade if I got some more balls, but I don't because I'm fucking noob. Now we got the 30 seconds and the macro opens, and trust me, in the next, okay, I will draw it. We will go up there, something like this. Let's keep that drawing. Let's see. See, the macro opens. Yeah. Okay, so for sure we're going to take at this. We won't just let the lows be one tick away. There ain't no way, but we're starting just on NQ, we're starting to stay still in this box. And on ES, we are also chopping around inside here. So I think we will chop around and then we'll get another leg down. Now we're getting the move up, then I want the down up move, but I don't think that will happen. I just think we will take them out. Because if we take out this one, it's for sure we're going to take out this one. And the trade would have been nice. Yeah. I'll just stay on and see what the market does. Yeah, nice. So the trade would have worked out perfectly. I would have entered here, stops under there, would have gotten 2 arrested reward, and we would have made UK dollar. But we would have, we didn't, because I didn't take the trade and I learned from it, and I'm pissed because on the week I'm up like $400 and I could have been up so much more, as you see. Now I believe we take out this also. It's annoying, it's annoying, it's annoying. Yes, I will end the YouTube video, but I will stay on stream for a little bit longer. But yeah, thanks for watching.